Do you smell that? It smells like a sewing challenge. Let's do some drag on a dime. Okay, so in this week's episode of Drag Race, Sam Star was talking about how when they first started drag, Walmart was like their main source of fabric where they would like get their stuff. So I was like, oh my goodness, that would be so fun to try and do. I used to go to Walmart too. Like, let's see if we can do it. I'm gonna take $40 to Walmart and see what we can get. And let's see if we can whip up something worthy of a queen that doesn't look like it's from Walmart. Hi, if you're new here, my name is Vahka, social media's drag mom. If you didn't have a drag mama before, you have one now. Welcome to the family. Let's go to Walmart. Okay, we have made it to the Walmart. I hope that there's actually usable options. Okay, so the main problem that I'm running into is one, everything is pre-cut, and this is like, it is what it is. And nothing is very stretchy, and the stuff that does stretch doesn't have anything that matches it. So, I don't know. I'm trying to make it good. That's the problem, is that I'm really trying to like make it good. So, I don't know. We'll have to keep looking. We are back in the car. We checked out. We got everything we need. Hopefully. I'm gonna run a few more errands, maybe grab some Dunkin', and then get home and start sewing. It's currently almost 11 a.m. It's 10:49 a.m. and I just left Walmart, but I will do the haul and we'll show you everything and draw up a sketch when we get home. But I think I need a little caffeine. I need to shake that ice, as one Corey King would say. Drop in the comments right now how much you think we spent. I wanted to stay under $20, but I did not, because I wanted to really try my best to make this like really good. So let me know how much you think we dropped, and all right, I will see you back in the bedroom for the final total and the sewing process will begin. Okay, let's do it. Ooh, okay, lighting. Ooh, okay, we're back in the bedroom and it's a mess. If you see something, look away, and if you really want to talk about it, I don't know, start a Reddit thread. I don't really care. Let's see what we got. Starting with the trims, I got some bias tape. You guys know I love bias tape. It really helps clean looks up, especially with the plan I have in my head. I think it's really going to help like the finishing details. I think it'll be good. There was this little diva on clearance. She was $1.73, and it's like this silver trim. I don't know if I'm going to use her, but for $1.73, you can't really go wrong. I feel like most of you are probably going to start working with stretch because you're a diva, and so I went with stretch. I've actually worked with this before. My very first performance look ever was made out of this from Walmart, and it's this blue foil spandex. It's really shiny. It's really fun. It's stretchy enough. It'll get the job done, hopefully. And to add a little sparkle, I got some of this like disco sequin. This stuff I actually really hate, but it was the only thing that matched the blue. So I think we're going to go for like a ruffly dance bodysuit. Very much the penny special. The moment you've all been waiting for, how much did it cost? So we are doing, I wanted to stay under $20. We didn't stay there, but we did stay under 40. We actually stayed under 35. So put your final guesses in. I'll give you a second to type them out. Drum roll, please. Boom. The grand total for today's expenditure was $33 even. So $35 or less. Let's see if we can turn something out. There's the proof. Let's do it. Okie dokie, we have an update. It's 12/22. That's my baby Ace, and we've got the cups done. Not loving it. Not loving this. But it's good for what it is. You know, it's good for what it is. I'm just used to a different level at this point. But we're gonna move on. Let's keep going, and these are just the base. They're gonna be covered and fun, and you'll get the vision. Alrighty, another update. It is 12:56, so it's what, like 30 minutes later, 32 minutes from the last update, and the main outfit is assembled. I'm not going to show you because you're going to have to wait till the end for that. It's time for the fun part. We're going to start ruffling up some of this fabric and see if we can't make, give it a little pizzazz, a little because it's looking very plain so far. She's very plain. She's very blue. So we're going to see if we can jazz her up. Let's do it. Okay, so here's a little closer look at our second fabric. It's like literally, they call this disco sequins. And a shocking, pleasant surprise, I thought this had no stretch at all, but it is a two-way. She does stretch this way, which is perfect because that's all we need. We just need her to stretch a little bit so we can shimmy in and shimmy out of our look. But this is gonna get everywhere, so let's do it. Look, it is kind of pretty though. Look how wide that selvage is, and that's on both sides. That's like probably a 5-inch selvage. That's crazy. So, you don't get all of these little dot sequins all the way through. Shady work, Miss Walmart. But because there's such a thick selvage, I'm just sewing them together at that selvage line so I can just not deal with it because it's kind of ridiculous. And I don't want to have those big empty spaces when it gets ruffled. So now that it's sewn together, it's like that selvage never even existed. So, but like, look at that. That's insane. I just spent very long adding this bias tape to the bottom of this because I feel like it helps to bring out like the iridescent coating of the whole tee. What's half 3? 7.5 yards before it's ruffled. And you're gonna see it's gonna ruffle down literally to like nothing. Oh, alter ego just came out of my headphones. If you know, you know. My hair is getting crazy. My patience is getting thin. It is currently 3:10. We've got some ruffles made. I put them together like this. Super cute. We're gonna figure out what to do with them. I did have this blue zipper. It's like teal. I had her already, so she does not count towards our total. So I'm gonna pop this zipper in and then add the finishing details. And I think that's all she wrote. So I guess the next time you see me, unless something crazy happens, we will be experiencing this $35 Walmart look together. Let's finish it up. I am happy to report that it is 4:36 p.m. The look is done, and I am rewarding myself with a hoagie, or a sub. Alrighty, noodles, we're done. That's a wrap on this Walmart fabric sewing challenge. I guess it was technically a one-day challenge too, but it's currently 7 p.m. You can't even see that. It is 7 p.m. here on the East Coast in New Jersey, and I'm done. We sourced the fabric today, what, 11, I think? I didn't work... Well, I pretty much worked all day. I had dinner, and that was about it. Are you ready to see what $33 at Walmart and a little bit of sewing knowledge can get you? All right, here we go. Before I show you the look, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe on this video if you enjoy content like this and you want to see more of it, because there's plenty more where that came. And let me know what kind of challenge you want to see me do next. Dollar Tree makeup, only using thrifted fabric. Let me know what challenge ideas you have down below. All right, enough chatting. Let's see this look. I don't know about you, but this looks pretty good for $33. Okay, we've got the ruffles, the zipper in the back, and she's ready to dance. I am super happy with how this came out. I mean, for $33, I've made far worse for far much more money. So I take this as a win. And if one of you wants this, be sure to check out my Instagram once this is uploaded, because I just might be doing a giveaway with her. I just might be. Alrighty, y'all. Thanks for getting lost in the sauce with me. That does it for this one. I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Come on, lady. She's an influencer, honey.